All right, number 4. As soon as I have this, I'm like, hey, what can they both be divided by? They both can be divided by 4, it looks like to me, which will put what? Square root of 5 over square root of 3. I like to go ahead and simplify them first. Now I need to get rid of that root 3 in the denominator. We can't have that. So we're going to multiply by root 3 over root 3. That way you'll end up with just a 3 in the bottom. Up top, you're going to have a square root of 15. There's nothing you can do with that because 15 is just a 3 and a 5. There's nothing that can be pulled out. So that's as simplified as it gets. Number 5, again, going to start off. Both can be divided by what? Looks like 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So it's root 9. And the bottom's square root of 10. Well, root 9 is just 3. So this is 3 root 10. I now need to get rid of that root 10. So I'm going to multiply by root 10 over root 10. That gives you 3 root 10 over 10. And 3 and 10 don't have anything by which they both can be divided. So there it is. They're simplified. Ooh, got a few more things here. Okay, let's take care of the inside the house, inside that little root. 10 and 12 both can be divided by 2. So I'm going to say, hey, this is 2 root 5 over a 5 root 6. I now need to get rid of that root 6. So I'm going to multiply by root 6 over a root 6. This is going to give me up top 2 root 30. Now you could write the 30. Notice that's a 5. It's not going to matter here, but 5 times 2 times 3 because 6 is a 2 and a 3. Why did I do that? Because it might have had somebody in common that could come out, but it doesn't because you can see there's just a 2, a 3, and a 5. In the bottom, we have 5 times 6, which is 30. So you have 2 root 30 over a 30, but notice 2 right here in that 30, both can be divided by 2. So it's going to be a root 30, and the bottom 30 divided by 2 will be 15. So I simply said, hey, divide by 2, and that's how I got root 30 over 15.